guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. In today's video, we're going to be making DIY Dollar Tree slide. So if you want to see how I made it and how you can make it, then just keep watching. And as always, if you like these types of videos and you want to see more, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this tutorial, you're going to need 2 pair of flip-flops, some ribbon, and a hot glue gun and some scissors. So to start off, you're going to go ahead and take the straps off of both flip-flops. So for the next step, you're just going to glue the 2 flip-flops together, just like that. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the gaps and then press it closed. So the next part you're about to see is me wrapping the ribbon, but I messed up. I should have made the straps first. So if you do this, go ahead and make the straps first and then wrap the ribbon. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get some hot glue, pop on the ribbon, and then just go all the way around. So when you wrapped it all the way around, you're going to go ahead and align it with the same place you started with. Go ahead and cut it and then just glue it. Okay, so now you're just going to do the exact same thing you did. Just pop on some glue and wrap the ribbon around. So right here, I'm just making some adjustments, gluing some places down, making sure everything looks as nice and neat as possible. Okay, so this one's done, and now you're just going to do the same exact thing on this one. Okay, so now I'm going to make the straps. I'm just going to put my foot where it's going to be and then measure out how long I need the straps to be and just glue it. So it was kind of difficult doing it the way I did it. If I could go back, I would definitely make the straps first because everything was already glued down, so it was kind of hard for me to glue on the straps. So just make sure that you glue the straps on first. So you're just going to measure out another strap, see where you want it, and then you're just going to glue it, and then you're going to do the same exact step for the rest of the straps. Okay, so now that that one is done, you're going to go ahead and make the straps for the other shoe. You're going to line them up and make sure they're symmetrical, and then just do the same exact steps that you did on the other shoe. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.